evening, everyone. Welcome to our webinar. I'm thrilled to introduce our revolutionary project, SecurePacks, fast, safe, and efficient way to containerize your projects. Thank you for joining us today. My name is Shivani Shekhawat, and I'll be your host for today's session. So, before we dive into today's exciting presentation, I would like to give a brief introduction to our company and platform. Initialize was founded in 2021 and is headquartered in Atlanta, United States. In India, we have offices in Delhi, Gurgaon, and Kanpur. Initialize.ai is a platform to securely build, run, and monitor cloud native and AI driven applications. Our unified platform enables seamless DevSecOps workflows, whether for web apps, APIs, or AI inference services. Now, let me introduce you to our main presenter today, Naveen Kumar Singh and Janisar Akhtar, our SDE, and today they will be walking us through a demo of our another product, which is SecurePack. Without further ado, I'm excited to hand over the stage to Naveen Kumar Singh and Janisar Akhtar to demonstrate our app. Naveen Kumar Singh and Janisar Akhtar, the floor is yours.
Thank you, Shivani. Am I audible to you? Great. So, hello guys. Welcome to the webinar. Today, we are going to. I am thrilled to introduce our revolutionary project, SecurePack, fast, safe, and efficient way to containerize your projects. Thank you all for sharing your time with us today. My name is Naveen, and I am excited to introduce you about SecurePacks innovative features. We appreciate your interest and look forward to sharing how SecurePack can enhance your development workflow. Now, to give you more detail, before we dive in, let's talk about deployment and its role of OCI image. In modern software development, deployment is the process of making an application available for use, typically by installing, configuring, and running it on a server or in the cloud. OCI images play a crucial role in this process. They are standardized, lightweighted, and portable software packages that contain everything needed to run a piece of software, including the code, runtime, and libraries. This standard ensures consistency across different environments, simplifies the deployment process, and enhances security by isolating applications from each other. So our secure pack gives you a most secure OCI image. So guys, in today's agenda, there is an action-packed agenda from our slate. First, uh, we will come with an introduction into the key features of secure packs. Then we will go through the enhancement around security, then walk through the comprehensive documentation and live demo, and Q&A session at the end. So Secure Pack is a package aimed at fast, secure, and efficient containerization of your projects. Through this, we aspire to give you an easy time while developing and keeping your application safe and current. Writing Docker files can be tedious task as it often involves repetitive configurations and meticulous setups. With SecurePack, this process can be streamlined, allowing you to focus more on coding and less on configuration. SecurePack automatically detects your project's requirement, fetches the necessary dependencies, and optimizes the build process. And I know most of you probably thinking these are the features that some build packs already provided. So what's new in it and what exactly Secure Pack is adding to it? So I must tell you, while it is true that traditional build packs offer some of these features, but Secure Pack takes it steps further by integrating advanced security features. In the current software development ecosystems, teams encounter several challenges related to speed, security, and efficiency. As we discussed, creation of Docker file can become tedious and complex. The available build packs either do not support the newest technologies or have security vulnerabilities open. So I will discuss next the importance of security in our development, the SDLC cycle. Having a robust security can be explained by a recent supply chain attack that hit a really popular Poly.js project. Security experts are raising the alarm about supply chain attack impacting more than 1 million websites that rely on cdn.polyfill.io, basically polyfill.io, which is a tool that helps older browser handle modern web features. Came under scrutiny when its domain was taken over by a Chinese CDN company in February 2024, sparking concerns about security. Recent reports have confirmed that polyfill.io is injecting harmful code into these websites, targeting specific devices and redirecting users to unauthorized sites based on their locations. Google has issued warnings to the advertisers about potential risk associated with JavaScript from polyfill.io, urging cautions. And Andrew Betts, the original creator of Polyfill, has advised against using the service following its acquisition, noting that the modern browsers now offer sufficient support. So, in response, providers like Cloudflare and are offering alternative solution to help affected user so that they can transition safely away from Poly.js to their platform. So now most of guys thinking, and the question must come. It is sound alarming, but given the set of risk as we are taking super security measures, why that's why it is called SecurePack, of course. And what the security measures we are taking? So I must tell you the basically SecurePack is named to put a focus on much needed robust security features it comes with to keep your app safe throughout their life cycle. Here are some of the key construct for security that we have implemented. These are the four parameters we are taking right now. First one is we are using distroless base image. So we are using a distroless base image which keeps the attack surface low due to the absence of any other components. And we updates through automation. We use cron jobs and automation to watch for updates and apply them properly, ensuring that your environment is secure. We provide immediate patching. We run fixed patches immediately after the availability of fixes to migrate and to mitigate vulnerabilities effectively. We then implement the patches version as soon as they become available to avoid vulnerabilities. And of course, we provide end-to-end support. Secure packs provide full support for your for if you wanted to implement this in your CI/CD pipeline or your deployment pipeline. So we are here to help you. Now let's deep dive into the SecurePack website and the features provided by the SecurePack. So Janshar will share his screen and I will illustrate that. Okay. So this is the landing page of our SecurePack website. Uh, First, you have to you can go through the landing page, and below you find okay. So here, uh, as you can see, we are providing how to use session in which let's create an image first, then we can discuss rest of the things. So here we provide a feature that you can create your image just by input your image desired image name and your GitHub repository URL. Yes, your repository URL must be public right now for using this feature. So enter desired directory if you have any monorepo project, like if there is backend, or if you have of course you have a monorepo project, then you can use it, otherwise you can leave it blank. Okay. In the meanwhile, I will tour you the rest of the website. As you can see, we are providing right now two language supports, which are Go and Node.js. For Go, if you go in the Go documentation, here you can find the simplest documentation that how can you build your Go application on your local machine. So simply, as I tell you earlier, you have to clone your app and use the following given commands, and then you can run it on server as properly. And second documentation for Node.js, in which every detail is prescribed very keenly, and here you can just copy and paste the commands. And if you wanted to host a website which are using static pages like Vue or YT, then you can simply use our web server build pack, which we are providing with the Nginx support. So you can host in a production your application which are using static web pages like Angular, React, Next.js, and other ones. So, Jansar, can you check that image is built or not? Okay. So now we will discuss the concert button. Uh, can you expand the concert button? Okay. So first, we will discuss the important things in a in the bullet form. Like as I tell you that OCI is known as Open Container Initiative, which plays a crucial role in your making container compatible. It changes how we can create, store, and run Docker images, ensuring they work smoothly across different systems. This helps developer deploy applications seamlessly using OCI compatible tools like Docker and Container. And the other is Stack. So in containerization, basically Stack streamline how applications are developed by making them run faster, keeping them safe, and speeding up how they are built using customized setup and different effective tools. And the next one is SBOM. So SBOM is software bill of materials, enhance supply chain visibility in containerization by detailing software components and dependencies, which promoting transparency and enabling organizations to manage vulnerabilities and ensure compliance effectively. And last but not the least, Gripe. So basically, Gripe is like a detective for container images, using extensive databases, which is using extensive databases to find and fix security risk in software, and it's smoothly fitting into CI/CD pipelines to boost your cybersecurity effort. So, Janisar, can you pull the image which you built through the website on your local machine? See if you're able to run it. Cool. So let's show our magic. Let's grab the image. Yes. So right now we have one vulnerability, which is standard library vulnerability, and it is came from the Pack CLI. I think Jansar can show it. So as I am going to discuss is it next, that in our future scope, one of the our scope is that we are going to use our own CLI, so we can tackle this severity. So of course we will achieve 100% zero severity goal. And Jansar, before the session, you built a same code image, same project image from another Docker file or build pack. So can you grab that so we can compare that what is the change that SecurePack came. So as you can see, for the same app, for the same code, there are multiple vulnerabilities. Some of them are critical one also. Uh, as you can see, uh, there are very much vulnerabilities. So this is the first feature that SecurePack is comes with, and the next is that I already told you that in the future we will provide support for more languages like Python, Java, and Ruby, PHP, and our third goal is like we will use our own CLI in the future. So these when we use our own CLI, we will neglect this. We can tackle this standard library which comes from Pack CLI. So we can tackle this also. So we have covered quite a lot today. Please feel free to type any question in the chat box. We will definitely answer them after. Before we wrap up, I call upon each one of you to share your views and experience on LinkedIn. Do connect with us. Continue this conversation using. We look forward to engaging with you. Thank you, guys. So, do we have any questions?
Okay. Thank you, Naveen Kumar Singh and Janisar Akhtar, for your valuable insights. We appreciate everyone's participation in today's informative webinar. For any further questions or assistance, please feel free to reach out and stay connected for updates on future events. Until next time, have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you.
Thank you, Shivani.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, Jani sir.